Hi. Okay, so I feel like I've been struggling to figure out what projects and things I can do during quarantine that will help me feel productive and like I did something positive throughout this experience. And one thing is cleaning out my car and giving it a good wax. So, because it's like early spring, or sorry, I should say late spring, early summer, I thought it would be a good idea to get the car waxed before the heat and the elements get to it, and it's a really nice day to do that. So first I need to clean up my car. It looks bad, like real bad. It's just in disarray. We've had a ton of stuff just piled into the car because we are preparing the house to move, and we're selling our house, and so there's a bunch of stuff that we just had to get out of the house, and so it's just been sitting in my car, and we're going to move it over to the shed for the time being, and that way I can actually have my car in the back seat to actually use it for stuff. I'll show you the back seat. It's bad. But yeah, anyway, so I'm going to clean it. All right, you ready for this monstrosity? Okay, so you come in here, and it looks okay on the surface, but like, and I have a bunch of car detailing equipment because I do car detailing, and this is just not it, sis. Like, what the heck happened? Okay, so it gets worse. This is just a sneak peek what the back looks like. Yikes. Okay. Oh man, welcome to my back seat. So I have a bag full of makeup empties. Who the heck saves their trash? Me. For future videos. And then I just have like my heating blanket, bunch of crap everywhere, clothes I need to take to donate or sell, trash, recycling. Oh my gosh. Now let's see the trunk. So the trunk looks okay. I got my boots, my wellies right here. I've got this little exercise bike that's supposed to go under my desk, but we just needed to get it out of the way during showings and stuff. So anyway, all of that we're going to try to fit in the shed so that I don't have to deal with all this junk. I think my plan of action is to take out all the stuff I'm going to put into the shed, put it in a pile for my husband to take to the shed, and then with the rest of the stuff I'm just going to throw it away and start cleaning it out and clearing it out so I can do a really good vacuum. So let's see how that turns out. Okay, I moved everything that was on the lawn into the house, and I'm gonna have to sort that later. Now it's time to vacuum, and the allergies are really kicking in today, so it just is what it is. is looking pretty good right now. I went ahead and vacuumed and then started wiping down the interior. When I do like full interior car details, I go over it in way more depth than I did this time around, so at some point I'll probably have to do a full car detailing on my car. Okay, next, wash and wax time. And show you the results. Thanks for following along my day in quarantine, and I feel very productive now and accomplished that I got it done. So, thanks!
Thanks to my amazing husband too.
Thanks to my amazing husband for helping me. I couldn't have done it without him. and I would have been working late into the night getting it done. So anyway, thanks. Bye.